Hello, my friends of Hadar Labs. My name is Saul Montoya. To make an introduction about PyQGIS. PyQGIS is the Python environment in QGIS. Okay, and we are going to give you like an introduction about what you can do here. Okay, first of all, test data in order that you upload it on the QGIS. So I'm going to give you on the description of this tutorial, you will have this. You will have a shapefile of hydrological basis. Okay, cool. And so let's have a look on PyQGIS. So first of all, where is PyQGIS and how can you get PyQGIS on your normal QGIS? So you go to plugins and then you have the Python console. Okay, with the Python console that is actually here. In case it's over the canvas, I like, oops, is below the canvas. Okay, so okay, cool. This is the Python console. So here I can say I can script 1 plus 1 and give me the answer that is 2. Okay, so then we have some generic data, no, generic buttons. If this one actually cleans the console, this one's import a class. This one actually runs the command. This actually shows the editor. This one actually gives us some options. And this is the help button. So we are going to import a shapefile that is called hydrographic basin. So with this, we import. Actually, we can do it with QGIS, okay? But we are going to import it in the normal way. So we open, go to browse, and on documents, you go to tutorial, and then you just select the shapefile extension. Okay, cool. Yep. Here we are going to put help iFace. Okay, on help iFace, what we are going to see is all the options that we can do with the view, with the face. I mean, with what you see on the canvas. Okay, this file has 700 lines. I mean, this view has 700 lines. So it's all the commands that you can work on QGIS. Okay, but we are going to use some commands of the iFace to see some of the functionalities of QGIS. So we are going to have a look, and then we say, okay, here we have like maybe I have a zooming, and then I can do iFace zoom full. Okay, what will happen is that I will go back to the full zoom. Okay, so the zoom to the extension. So if I make a zoom, and then with the upper arrow I choose the latest comments, and then okay, cool. And this is a very practical command to get a zoom full. Okay, cool. And then I can do an zoom to previous. iFace to with capital T previous. Okay, and then I can go to the previous of the previous, and I go to the previous of the previous of the previous. Okay, so you see, it's very handy. Okay, and then I can go not to zoom to previous, iFace dot zoom zoom to next. And zoom to next is zoom not to previous, but to the next. Okay, cool. So you can jump in between your zooms just with these commands. Okay. Now we are going to open the attribute tables and the shape properties. So we are going to select the we need to have the layer selected, and then we are going to define this. So active layer is actually the iFace dot active layer. Cool. So what does it mean? That this will be our variable active layer, right? Now active layer is active. And then I want to open the attribute tables of active layer. So iFace is equal to show attribute table of active layer. Remember that active layer, I mean, this is actually a variable, okay, of Python, okay? So with this command, we are going to open the attribute table of this and this. Cool, look. I mean, this command do the same as if I do right click and open attribute table. It's the same as if I do this. Yeah, it's the same. Okay. If you see, it's very handy. It's very smooth and smooth. Okay, but what will happen if I want to see the layer properties? So if I want to see the layer properties, is show layer properties of active layer. Bring us the layer properties. Okay, and this is the same as doing, I don't know which one is quicker, because I think that they both took the same time. Okay, then if you go to this command, if you go to this website, let's see, if you go to this website, you can have a lot more of commands that you can run with the iFace. Okay, so it's a lot. I mean, maybe, wow, it's a lot. Okay, great. Now we are going to open a new project. Okay, so I say iFace new project. Okay, and then I have created a new project. What has happened with the old project, I don't know, but then we have, right now we have a new project, okay? And that's what matters, okay? Cool. And then we are going to, if we need some help about any command, like any other in Python, like any other command in Python, like we can say iFace dot, for example, I want some vector layer. Okay, so this brings me some help about different commands. Okay. Okay. On configuration, here on configuration, you can have some a special like auto completion. I mean, if you know in Python, you can press tab and then you can complete the command with the most popular one. Like, and then you have some styles on the functions, on the variables, and so on. Yeah. And yeah, that can be handy if you want to do some extra, or like you want to personalize your Python console. Okay. And this was our first view of PyQGIS. PyQGIS is the environment of Python in QGIS. Okay, this environment, this PyQGIS could help you to develop many. I mean, like, imagine that if in QGIS you have a lot of tools, with Python you have any tool. I mean, you can do anything in on spatial analysis with QGIS, with Python, with PyQGIS. Okay, so I hope that this tutorial will be helpful for you, and I hope to see you in coming webinars. We are from Hatari Lab. We are from Hatari Labs. Hatari Labs is a website developed in the knowledge sharing in open source software. Yeah. Okay. So we have a lot of tutorials. We have a lot of webinars and so on. We will have courses in the future, and I hope that you can follow us by Facebook and Twitter, and that you can share our content if you find this content interesting. Okay, so you can always sign up and please subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you in another tutorial. Okay, please have a great day and see you soon. Bye.